Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Do you have yellow spots throughout your lawn? I'll tell you what it could be when we come back. Okay guys, so if you have these yellow spots throughout your lawn and you know you don't have a fungus problem, then it could be dog urine. Yes, dog urine. So a lot of people will think that dog urine is the beginning of a fungus growing in their yard, but usually fungus will kind of stay together and spread out. As you'll see if it's a dog urine spot, they'll be here and they'll be a little bit farther off, a little bit further this way. So they'll be kind of close together, but they won't be joined together. So that's how you can kind of tell that it's more from one of your animals than a fungus infection. So there's a couple of ways you can fix this. The first way to fix this is immediately after, if you catch your dog using the bathroom in the lawn, is to get some water on there and kind of neutralize that. Okay. The second is to fix that area. Okay. So I have some spots right here in my lawn where we have some animals that have used the restroom in some of these spots here. And what it does is it kills the grass. Okay. Now it doesn't kill it usually all the way down to the roots. It'll usually just kill just the grass blades. Okay. So they'll kind of just die out. Now the grass will come back as long as it's a warm season grass. Some of the cool season lawns, they will have to be reseeded. But since this is a zoysia, all I'm going to do is repair this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to remove this grass, okay? Because what's happened is in that urine, the dogs have a lot of nitrogen. And if you ever put any type of fertilizer with a high amount of nitrogen in one spot, you'll see that it kills the grass in that area. Well, it's just a burning effect, okay? So it's kind of like one of those effects. It's just burned it. So what I'm going to do is just remove this dead grass. Just going to remove that. And you can just use any type of rake. I like the soft rake. As you can see, it's coming up pretty easy. Okay. You just want to clean that area out really good, as much as you can. And then you want to get some topsoil. Doesn't have to be the best, but as long as it's a good fine topsoil. You just want to spread it around in that area. Now again, this is a zoysia. We just kind of work that into the ground with our fingers. And that's just going to promote growth then. If you have a cool season lawn, like your fescues, you may have to do this and also put down some seed, okay? But just work this soil into there, then put down your seed, and then just water it in really well, and then keep an eye on it. There are some tablets that you can give your dogs if they're using the bathroom a lot on your lawn that can help to neutralize that, and I'll put that in my description. And there are some sprays that you can use. Now me, I'm not going to follow my dog all over the yard, but if I catch them, then I usually just use my hose, but I still have to kind of correct that area just a little bit. But try to keep your dog, if you can train them to go in another area that's not so much in the middle of your lawn, that would probably be best. But that's what I've had to do. This is a good way to repair this, and that way your lawn still looks nice and fresh. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.